Hi, Microsoft Office MCQ questions. First question. What is the shortcut to duplicate a new slide in PowerPoint? The right answer is option B is the right answer. Control plus B. Next question. Which key is used to open the help function in MS Office? The right answer is option A, F1. Next question. How do you create a hyperlink in MS Word? How do you create a hyperlink in MS Word? The right answer is option B, Control plus K. Next question. What is the maximum zoom percentage allowed in MS Word? The right answer is option C, 500%. Next question. Which tab in MS Word is used to change the orientation of the page? The right answer is option C, layout. Next question. Which shortcut key is used to undo the last action in MS Word? The right answer is option B, Control plus Z. Next question is, what is the shortcut key to open a new blank document? The right answer is option A, Control plus N. The next question, what is the default file extension for MS Word document in versions 2007 and later? The right answer is option B, docx. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.